What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ. Today is April 14th, and I feel like my buys today is overall bullish. As you can see, price is on a very bullish uptrend. And yesterday, those relative equal highs that I marked up got taken out, so let me go ahead and just delete that. But we also have some nice liquidity to the upside. We have this 4-hour high inside of a fair value gap, and that's actually the only draw on liquidity we have to the upside. After we take that out, I would definitely be bearish because it's inside of a 4-hour BPR. But actually, right underneath that 4-hour low, we have a news high right here at 7:30. As you can see, core PPI left a nice wick right there, so we actually have two draws on liquidity today. And it would be nice if New York Open shot up and took out both of these draws so we could get a sell back, because we do look pretty overextended right now. And we also have a lot of unbalanced fair value gaps to the downside, along with this 1-hour untapped fair value gap right here. But yeah, price has been looking pretty choppy in the pre-market, so hopefully we get something good today, and I'll get back to you guys when market opens. Okay, so here's New York Open right here, 8:30 as you can see, and I marked out this gap right here for maybe for an entry, but I didn't really like it because we left some liquidity to the downside. It would have been very nice if we had taken out all this liquidity inside this fair value gap down here. As you can see, it's easier to see on the 5-minute right there, but we just left a lot of it. So yeah, I just didn't really like this setup too much, but it's looking like it's about to play out. And yeah, I'm gonna just wait for something cleaner. There we go. So this trade right here ended up working, and we swept out the New York high and that 4-hour intermediate high. So I am definitely gonna be looking for a sale now, because we just entered this 4-hour BPR over here. So after this big push up after market open, we've just been chopping around for a while, but we formed these two nice bullish fair value gaps right here we could take a sell off of, and hopefully we could get some nice momentum through this candle, but it's looking like price is just chopping around right now. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes since I last talked to you guys, and price has just been pushing up. It really doesn't look like we want to go down here. I was going to take this 1-minute sell right here. It had a very nice V shape, but as you can see, it's invalid because we took out this low before getting the close on that gap. So that's unfortunate, but it would have probably been break even, as you can see, because price didn't go too far. And I'm just going to wait a little bit to see if I could get an entry on these two 1-minute gaps down here. And if I don't, then I'm probably going to be done for the day. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys if I can get that. Okay, so yeah, it just looks like price doesn't want to go down at all. We're just pushing up and delivering out of the gaps that I want us to inverse. But it's all good. That's going to be no trades for me today. And I would say this trade down here off of open was probably the best trade of the day, but I wouldn't, but even in hindsight, it's really not that good because the liquidity sweep wasn't really there. So yeah, it's going to be it for me today. No trades today. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. And yeah, thank you for watching.